morning, YouTube. Welcome to my makeshift potting facility. Well, all my potting facilities are makeshift, but it is April 5th, and I'm about 5 days late on this particular task because it's time to actually take care of the fall planting now. We've had, as is typical in most gardens, by the end of July, things like the sweet peas have died off a long time ago, lettuce has bolted, and a number of other issues. And it's time to take those open holes in the garden and plant something. And what I'm going to be doing, as I'm sitting here filling these 6-packs with dirt, this one's split. Well, that's okay. This is what happens when you reuse the 6-packs from the nursery. By the way, if you're reusing 6-packs, be sure to run them through wiping down with Clorox to sterilize them so you don't carry over any funguses or diseases that are included or came over from the nursery. Fall crops. What am I? I'm in zone 8A. We're going to plant purple broccoli. This should 120 days to maturity. We should be getting this out of the garden by November, end of November. We've already harvested one pot full of carrots, and the next one is coming soon. This again, 120 days to maturity, or less. 75 days to maturity. So we should be able to easily get a second crop of carrots in before winter sets in. Also, lettuce. I've got something here known as gourmet blend, which means that when I dump this out into my hands, I got just a handful of random seeds. I'm going to show you how I deal with that. But I also have a lettuce called Little Gem, which has like 40 days to maturity, I think. So we're going to throw some of them in. We're also going to plant some more Swiss chard, some more spinach, and some New Zealand spinach. So basically all of our salad greens that have bolted during the summer, I'm going to start, and these are going to go indoors where it's a little bit more of a controlled environment, underneath a grow light. I'm going to have to get some tape and tape that together. And then we'll be able to grow them under a controlled environment where they will not bolt. And then once we get them out at the end of August, by then our worst weather should be past us, and we should have no problems with bolting or any other problems. This is what I'm going to plant the lettuce in. I want to show you. Helps to mark your plants as to what you're growing. So I use tongue depressors. Pick them up, a large pack at the dollar store. Use a permanent marker to mark what you're putting in there. SP spinach, and Z is New Zealand spinach. C would be the, SC is the Swiss chard. C would be the cauliflower, the purple, purple cauliflower. And then LG is the Little Gem lettuce, and I'm going to plant them in the lettuce container, which I'm going to go ahead and fill up now. So, oops, you still with me over there? Let me go check the aiming of the camera. I bumped you. Yeah, you're still with me. So what I do with, what is that? That's a root. Oh, what is that? This is a paint bucket, and I scraped some of the paint, the dried paint, off the side of the bucket as I was mixing up the potting soil. what I do is I use this. This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry container. You buy strawberries in the grocery store in this. I fill it up. Then what I do is I'll take my lettuce seeds and I'll just randomly sprinkle about 2 dozen seeds over this. And then in about 2 weeks or so, when they've sprouted and I can identify them, then I pick out the ones I don't want and then transplant the ones that I do want. It's actually quite convenient. Otherwise, I'm going to I may end up with all the wrong lettuce. I'm going to plant little gems along this side, and I place my little gem plant marker over there to show you. So this is the beginning of fall planting. I don't think I need to show you how to go about planting seeds, but I'm going to then put them in under the grow lights inside on the shelf by the window, again in a nice air-conditioned house where the temperature is a little bit more controlled. So that's the start of the fall crop. Thanks for watching, and we'll be doing updates on these fall crops in about 3 weeks when they begin to they're about ready to transplant. So take care, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.